Witch, we know what you're up to. What are you up to? Did you trap the baby? Oh no! The baby's in a shell. She's out. Did you save her?
It's his crib.
Oh, okay. I thought she was stuck. So that's her baby crib?
Yeah.
Oh, she's got a baby shell.
She needs a blanket.
Uh-oh, stuff her booty in. Doot, 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 doot.
She needs a
Aw,
blanket.
she looks so cozy.
Maybe she needs a pillow in the blanket.
What about this blue blanket here? Get the pillow and we can use this blue blanket. Good idea. Now she'll be ready to go to sleep. Oh, baby, how are you feeling? You okay? She's sniffing. She's got a sniffing problem. Oh.
My nose is running.
Oh, poor baby. What can we do to help her? You think she wants some juice? Good idea.
Yeah.
Oh, good job, baby. Do you feel any better? She's falling off of her pillow. Baby, she's still sniffing. What are we gonna do?
A stuffed animal.
Oh, that's gonna perfect.
We have to wait
Oh,
till
she has
morning,
many.
baby. She has many sleepovers.
That's so
Wait,
good.
Oh no! I have to clean the box. So we have to tape it.
Okay.
Oh no!
You want it louder, Z? I'll have to end the video. I think she wants it louder.
No. Don't end the video.
But maybe we could come back later and finish it.
It's all I have a tattoo too. Do you have a tattoo? I want to show you.
Let's see your face. Make a funny face. That's a good one. Okay, I'll make one.
Okay.
It's easy to make a funny face.
Stick.
Her face is always funny.
That's a funny
You
face.
got chicken in your mouth.
Thanks for watching. Bye.